What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to implement a chart into your Notes app on iPhone. Now, you're actually going to need to go to a separate website in order to do this. I linked it at the top of the description down below. You could just directly click on the link and head over to here. For this example, I'm going to do a pie chart, but this website has all different types of charts. There's so many different options, like as far as the display goes. I'm not going to walk through all of those, but you could just see on screen all the different options for the appearance. I'm just going to make a simple pie chart with two slices with a yes or no column. For the value, it doesn't have to add up to 100. I was a little confused at first thinking it had to add up to 100, but it could just be anything and it'll automatically balance out the pie chart for you. I just added up for 100 for simplicity here, especially considering it isn't even a real chart to begin with. Once you've implemented your data, you just add your labels now. Just a title for the graph and any other display type titles that you want to add for your display. I just have a mock question here asking if you subscribed. And if you are one of those people that voted no, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button. It is much appreciated. So I was actually a little confused here trying to hit the download button, but I believe that only works if you're on PC. So the simplest way in order to do this is you're just going to have to take a screenshot of it and you could just easily crop it. Luckily, iPhone made it a lot easier for you to do this. If you don't know how, once you screenshot, you hit the screenshot in the bottom left-hand corner, and it's going to take you straight to a screen where you could edit and crop it. You could just crop it just how you like. I don't want any of the other funky stuff in there. I just want my pure simplistic graph. Don't we all? And then you have your screenshot right here, and you head over to your Notes app. And then as you're typing, you should see like a little camera icon right above the text on that toolbar as far as the Notes tool go. You're going to hit that, and then you could choose photo or video, and your screenshot should be at the top right there, and you could just select that. And then once it's selected, you see that it's in the Notes app right here, and you should be all good to go. You could add as many charts as you'd like and have some great data entry in the Notes app. Who would have thought? If you have any questions or found this confusing at all, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. And also read the description down below, because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.